Now over here, we love a good open house, but you have to know the right questions to ask. Otherwise, you're just taking a look at a pretty house. What's up, everybody? I'm Amy J. Simpson. I'm a Maryland real estate agent, and today I'm going to be giving you 5 questions that you need to ask at the next open house you go to. Quick disclaimer, every realtor that you see at an open house isn't necessarily the person that's listing the property, so they might not have all the details. Give them your information and they will get those answers over to you. The first question to ask is, if the house is renovated, you want to know when the renovations were done and what made the owner want to renovate the property. Questions like this give you a little bit of insight into the mindset of the person who already owns the property. Are they somebody who just bought it to flip it? Is it somebody who really cared about the property and wanted to prepare for its new owners? It really just gives you a little bit of a deeper look into the house. The next question that you want to ask is, what type of heating and cooling system does the house operate on? The third question you want to ask is all about the water heater. You want to know if the water heater is gas or electric. Also, a bonus question for that one is to ask, when was it installed? Now, you're going to get more insight on the water heater when you get your actual inspection, but just in case they happen to know this information up front, why not ask about it? The fourth question is only if there's an HOA. You want to know how often the HOA payments are, how much are the HOA payments, and exactly what is included with these HOA fees. That also applies to condos, and if the home does not have a condo or an HOA, then disregard this question. The fifth question that you want to ask is, what system is used in this property for waste removal and water supply? Is it public sewer, septic? Is there a private well? You want to ask these questions. And again, the person at the open house might not have that answer, but they can definitely get it over to you. I'm going to post all of these questions in the comment section or the description so that you can copy and paste it and pull it up when you go to your next open house. And while we're at it, comment and let me know if you found these questions helpful. See you in the next video.